would never do that, Colby.
It's Leilani.
But still. No, I'm recording it.
I have to pee.
Go down! Colby, there's going to be a blizzard, so you better go down quick.
Leilani, move.
No, seriously, there's a blizzard coming.
Okay, then move.
Just let it be right here.
Come on, it will be really funny. And she's going to get on video. Fine, I'll hit it, but you have to move.
I'll put it on YouTube.
And title it Stupid Person.
Go faster.
Okay.
No, Leilani.
I'm moving.
Leilani, it went down.
Do it. Put it on that
Other
side.
way.
Just hit him with it when he comes.
No, I don't want to hit the handle. Put it the other way.
Put it so the handles are the other direction.
Yeah.
So hit the harder side.
Are you still videoing this right now?
Yeah. Just go, or I'm going to waste my battery.
Okay.
Should I go now?
Yes.